Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to ask questions about the product that you are interested in on the Perfume sClub application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the home button down below in the left side corner of the screen. Then select the product that you are interested in. Tap on it. Scroll down until you find the this section FAQ. Tap on the ask for your question or ask your question button and then type in your name. Then type in your email address and then your question. Tap on I'm not a robot. Set the bicycles. And then click on this button and tap on send question, and then your question will be sent. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.